Hey guys, welcome to YouTube. Today I would like to show you how to check out if you are qualified for monetization on Facebook or not. Okay. Well, this is my profile. Um, if you are using your page or you converted your profile into a page, this is what you can do. Just simply go to a proportional dashboard here. This one, okay. Twine na be twine, be twine na be ni algorithm ti ti ten ke insight ke content ke grows, monetization and growth. So I would like you to click monetization here, this one, okay. Click. If you click, you can see that these are things that you can do to make money. First one is a star, ads on reel, bonus use, in-stream ads, subscription, okay. Star me ke ads on reel, ke bonus, ke in-stream ads, ke subscription tiken ke let it go, ke tiken criteria to goal. Ke the t ke no content blood tin blood ko dong de qualify ko bijina rami de when they monetize, okay. Men bilal jana be star be check me to qualified or not, okay. Let's say it can qualify in term ko de take a star, but I can request, I am interested chin and gwada me be twanya na mene jogun Facebook no naka no they don't monetize your visual option be garage be to twine bawa. Okay, binyako work ads on reel mi cha video no ko mi shop she can knock and then they monetize, okay. And your guada me me she qualified but right now like me I'm not qualified, so they tried me, I'm interested, and then we chat trying with you talk belly man me can jack mono den a bonus use bonus bo me she qualify but be trying and be, let's say right now I can't qualify guas me ko kuji mo ten they apply but they ka jogo no ka den me she guada cheben they show trying they you they can make. And then men did go ke jen michal ke instrument gwado na me be show twine. Let's say I'm not qualified here, but I can send this, I'm interested. Then they jaga ko bekan ko ngachang dan chop, and then they can allow ko they can do not they can monetize. I'm gonna do the subscription they try subscription or mission and mission no gono be subscribe ko dinelo be jamo je yo, and then be content a lot to buy jaga lajan jalo subscription. So again no mission ngachi talk, okay, mission talk, and then you go back. We've been glad me come insight and insight this one insight inside go be pega down shilat kele be ngach. Okay, but ngeni gwano jin gor ga jino beteka follower to shop ka 5,000 a work ka 10,000 cheta ka 570, so I'm not qualified. So no, this is how you can check your monetization, okay. Minimum gor model and mini garping gwado mo dong de jilo ka ja agwai and biate man.